In this video, I'd like to talk to you today about the difference between bullying and conflict. We know that in any social group, and school's certainly the case, we know that conflict and disagreements often arise. But one of the common mistakes we find is that parents in particular will mistake conflict and disagreements with bullying. So what is the difference? Well, bullying has three main characteristics to it in order for it to be called bullying. The first is it needs to be repeated. It needs to be behaviour that is targeted as well at another student, and that there is an imbalance of power. So those are the three: an imbalance of power between the two people, it needs to be repeated, and it needs to be targeted. If it doesn't have those things, if you've got two people going together as equals, that's a form of conflict, and they happen. And we treat the two different forms of behaviour very differently. With conflict, we use that as a learning opportunity, an experience that helps for people to understand how to come to common ground and find win-win situations. With bullying, it involves a much more rigorous process that often involves parents and specialised staff to work with all people involved to ensure that everybody can find safety and happiness within our school.